everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC today. It's pretty hot. So hopefully it will cool off a little bit, but it's still pretty hot. We're still in the pandemic. No border openings, probably next year. So we'll see how that goes. If you're new to my channel, welcome in, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Ted's helping out with the microwave. We're gonna install that later, so that should be fun. And we're gonna fix the front of our porch, so that's something else that needs to happen. So we'll be doing that this week. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. I do appreciate it. Alright, I have a unboxing today, or an unbagging, so we'll see what that is. This is the pouch that I'm still using. This is my yellow-eyed clutch pouch with the light yellow custom-made Samorga with Busto. He's still hanging in there, so he's the little Fendi monster. And it has a black leather strap that I got from eBay. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbag this and see what I got. Alright, got some blade. Go ahead and do that. Alright, let's see what I got here. It's in foam. Alright, and it is a medical infrared thermometer. And that's going to work out pretty good. Because I got a glass thermometer, but they're super hard to read. So hopefully this is going to work out pretty good. And I got this from Walmart, and I think it was about $24 to $30 Canadian approximately. I'll put all the information down below if you're interested in ordering one of these. But I thought this would be a lot easier than, you know, shaking the glass thermostat and thermometer and trying to figure it out, and it's a little bit too much. Alright, so that's my unbagging for today. I am putting together my yellow-eyed Fendi Monster collection, so that will be coming out this week, along with I'm waiting for a strap from the UK to go with my Elma bag that I will be probably purchasing this year or maybe next year. And also, I have a couple other items that are coming in, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. Bye now.